Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'll show you how you can install and use Tailwind CSS on your WordPress website. So Tailwind CSS is one of the most is a popular framework that is being used by every other developer these days, and it has close to 15 million downloads, as you can see, weekly downloads every week. So this shows how popular this framework is between developers. Framework is between developers. So if you're also one of those people that want to install and use Tailwind CSS on your WordPress website, this tutorial is just for you. So there are two ways that you can use Tailwind on your WordPress website. The first one being just copy the style sheet and then paste it, but this is not recommended, but I'll still show you this. So first things first, if you have a GeneratePress theme, go to elements and then I'll just trash this and add a new element and go to choose element type and select the hook and create a hook, and I'll name it Tailwind CSS style sheet. Okay, and then you can just write this script src is equal to https is to by cdn.tailwindcss.com, and then close this and you should go to display rules and choose entire site. So this CSS, so this style sheet will be shown all over the website. Then choose the location as WP head and click on publish. Once you have done that, just take any Tailwind component or Tailwind button or something like that. In this example I have taken this one, this button. This is how it look like, as you can see the output. Then you can just go and delete this and add a HTML in your WordPress website and then paste this. So let's see if the output is same or not. As you can see, we have the button working just fine. So the second method is we'll only use those styles that we need. For example, here you can see the button class bg blue 500 and some classes. I've written some classes, so we'll only use those CSS. So what I'll do is, if you can see this is a button CSS, we'll delete this first. We'll delete this hook. Then we need to go to this website called play.tailwindcss.com, and then from here you need to go and choose the version 3.417 and then write your code. For example, this is the button code, and let me refresh this and show you that the button styles are gone. What we'll do is we'll just click on here generated and then go to utilities and then copy all these CSS and then go back to our WordPress website and then go Tailwind dashboard, which is our WordPress dashboard, and go to customize, and then here on additional CSS we'll just simply paste this code and save it. Let's go back and see. As you can see, the website the style is showing just fine. So these were the two methods that you can use to install Tailwind CSS on your website. I hope this helps.